Hi, my name is Greg Olnick. I've been teaching spreadsheets since the DOS days, using Lotus 123, and then went into Quattro Pro and, of course, Microsoft Excel. And this file that you see in front of you here is basically it's my Toolbox file. So as I learn new things myself over the years to work on a project or cleanse data, I'll make an example of it on this file on a separate sheet, and then I make buttons to go to that sheet. In case I need to do the same thing a few years later, I can just go to my Toolbox file. You can also use Google, but sometimes if you're making your own Toolbox file makes more sense than what you might find on the internet. So I hope you enjoy this overview. This is going to cover 20 or so of these concepts and these buttons. And in a full course, I would go into more detail and how to actually accomplish these skills. So you might learn a lot just from this overview, but if you want to take my full course, there's a link as well at the end.